We just got the coolest package from GSC Power Division. We have been working with them on doing a S55 BMW spring kit. We got them to make us some retainers. We found a spring from an unknown manufacturer, well, unknown to you guys, and we used GSC to make us some cool retainers for our springs. We'll be the first ones to have a spring kit available for it. For you guys making over 600-700, starting to see some valve float. You won't have any valve float anymore. Some cool stuff here. Helps have the blade out. Got some springs and retainers. This is freaking cool. I can't wait to. Hopefully it'll work. That's the problem with innovation, right? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But I think we're really gonna win on this one. Headgames S55 retainers. So what we got here, some custom GSC retainers for our spring kit for the S55. Some really nice machined pieces here. It's amazing to be able to work with such a great manufacturer like GSC that can make us something on the fly in a rush. This car is going to be doing some half-mile stuff next week, and the car is, well, the head's still here, the car's not together, it's never been dynoed, but the S55 guys have issues. They start making a bunch of power, it goes into valve float, so we're trying to solve that. So we got this spring that we found, did a lot of research, single spring. Now we're going with this spring until we could figure out how much pressure we can actually use on the S55 and not have an issue. Eventually we'll probably go into like a conical or a beehive spring kit. But short term we're going to come up with this. Uses stock valve locks and stock locator.